Reke tuge kuhe maĩ rĩ.
We believe that after we have planted them and taken good care of them, we will be in a position to get fruits which will be very valuable to our learners when it comes to nutritional value. We will also be in a position to sell because we have the nearby markets.
Hiyo mti unaendelea ukipanda ina sana miezi 9. Kuendelea inaendelea kutoa matunda mara 3 kwa mwaka. Na itasaidia watoto na watoto. Hata watoto wazazi wakipanda wajiri ndio wako na uwezo.
We are using the schools as demo. Therefore, wherever we have done 11 schools that we are doing, is just to do a demonstration that now you can spend your money, maybe 10,000, 20,000. You go to Laikipia, you buy the seedling, and you plant with a lot of confidence that it can be able to do in this climate. And the Wabogo Apple is doing very well. For now, I think it's going for 300 shillings per kilo, and therefore is a good business.